Press the bell icon below and never miss a video on my channel. You'll get all notifications.
Raita with noodles, are you serious?
Yeah. Broccoli on pizza. Good stuff that I make. They'll be like, "Aaj nahi bana de." Chicken biryani, bro. There's no such thing as veg biryani. That's pula. But I don't throw them. मैं खिलाती हूँ किसी ना किसी को. No two weddings. बस नहीं है हमारे पास.
Hi guys, thanks for watching up on my channel. This is me Ashish aka Home Chef and this is
Hey guys, this is me Niharika aka
Captain Nick. So today we are gonna do a interview session, food interview session actually. We have cue cards and I'm gonna ask some question to her and she's gonna answer. So Niharika, let's get quickly into the questions. Number one is, what is the weirdest food combination you have ever had?
I know a lot of people find this weird, but I tend to eat raita with a lot of weird stuffs. Like not only with biryani and khichdi, I've tried it with noodles also after watching Ravan.
Raita with noodles, are you serious?
Yeah, where Shah Rukh Khan eats dahi with noodles, so I tend to try it. It's not very good.
Okay, the second one is, what is the one thing you can eat anytime?
Anytime.
Like whenever, like 2 a.m. food.
Maggi, definitely one of the most it's my go-to food actually. Maggi. It's not very healthy. I don't promote it. Don't eat it, guys. But abhi theek hai. सबसे जल्दी वही बनता है. It's like very tasty also. Especially the way I make it. I'm like.
We are coming on Maggi also. What food item you always expect in weddings? मतलब कभी भी शादी में expect करते हो like बिरयानी होनी चाहिए और ऐसा कुछ?
Biryani, though I have not seen in every wedding, but there's something which I've seen in every wedding, that is Chinese encounter hota hai, most definitely. And the other thing is that Manchurian, paneer chili, some Manchurian. So these are the very common starters I tend to find at every wedding. And also that vanilla ice cream with chocolate sauce. Pani puri ka thela also. I mean the corner, not thela.
So next, like since you have been in USA, so have you ever calculated price of food before buying it?
Actually not, because I used to take like time to set this many dollars, that means that many money, so I never went into calculation and maths. And since I was staying with my brother, so he took care of the expenses.
Counting will burn more calories.
Yeah, so he's like more than a father, so he's like, you don't have to think about anything.
You just buy whatever you want.
Yeah, clearly I was not carrying my wallet. I was just spending on stuffs to buy and to bring them here home in India. That's it. Food, everything on Bhai.
Alright.
His name is also Ashish, by the way. We were talking about that.
If there is just one thing you have to eat for your whole life, what it would be?
Oh God, for whole life?
For your whole life. Nothing else, just one thing.
I'll either pick khichdi or dal chawal, because I mean you can mix a lot of other things with that, but pura life chalana hai to safer side.
Have you ever thought of being a chef?
Actually yes. I mean I was just struggling with a lot of options before getting into something permanent like this. So I wanted to do usko kya kehte hain, hotel management also. I wanted to join an army also. There were many things I wanted to do, like fashion designing also.
Since you have a YouTube channel, so you are doing all these characters.
So that's like one of the...
Army was like in that Fortnite video.
Yeah.
You were fighting with all them.
And in upcoming videos, you will see where I'm a chef also.
And so, DJ also.
DJ, oh my god, I'm just revealing stuff. Actually, jab tak ye video jayega, my video will be out. So you guys definitely go and want to watch it.
Okay. So have you ever thought being a home chef? Like every subscriber of mine is a home chef. So have you ever thought of being a home chef?
I am actually sort of home chef. I cook pretty good. Like my family, they love my cooking, and most of the time it's like whenever they want to have something, good stuff that I make, they'll be like, aaj neha bana de.
So the next question, weirdest thing you have ever mixed with Maggi?
Oh, a lot of stuffs actually are. Like I have mixed almost everything. I mean, once I was trying to make this Maggi makhni. I mean, not makhni, but the idea was to make paneer makhni jaisa Maggi makhni. So we put malai and everything. It was a complete disaster. but that's how chef are in making. But I don't throw them. मैं खिलाती हूँ किसी ना किसी को तो.
Then one food item you will definitely have in your wedding.
In my wedding, so many are. I only one. God.
Just tell me one, no, and
Biryani.
tell me the reason.
Biryani. I love biryani. I can go on with biryani like. Actually, I eat non-veg on particular days. So every Wednesday, I want to have biryani. So that's the thing.
Love for biryani.
Yeah. So I'll get married on Wednesday and then have biryani on my wedding.
You know, whatever things happens on Wednesday will become double, like will happen again.
Oh wow! I didn't know
Actually,
this
we
is a
Gujarati
thing.
have that stereotype. You know?
Oh, nice. So Wednesday ko double biryani. No two weddings.
I was not talking about wedding. I was talking about biryani.
But फिर अभी if everything is happening double तो शादी भी double हो जाएगा. So let's get married.
वैसे भी
on
वीडियोस में काफी
Sunday.
सारी मतलब शादी वाली चीजें हो गई है एक्चुअली आपके चैनल पे.
My mother is happy. In a way, she saw me becoming a bride so many times. Now she's like, अब तू नहीं भी बन, I don't care.
Okay, fine. Next
Win-win for
question.
both of us.
Make everyone happy.
Yeah.
So, what food do you think that memorized your childhood?
What food? So a lot of people say I eat green chilies with everything. I can eat the most tikha khana on planet Earth. I've also tried that bhoot jholakya mirch, which is from Assam, and it tends to be very spicy, and I've had it, like enough of it. So this one thing is very crazy about me. Not many people knew this. अभी हम इसको थोड़ा सा unreveal कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Unreveal नहीं, sorry, reveal कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
Actually.
So this came into me since my grandma and my mother, they both always sat with green chilies. I have no idea why, but they are the one who started feeding me also, and looking at them I also started eating it. So this is one thing like about my childhood. I can eat green chilies with anything.
So, your mother's best recipe which you make, which you can make actually.
Things which mom cooks the best, I cannot cook them.
Like trying to make them.
Actually, I haven't. We are North Indians, but she makes crazy sambar and chole. Chole. She's a North Indian, so she makes crazy chole. But I've never tried making chole.
Alright.
Something that I cook the best and she cannot. That's dal khichdi
Actually,
and Maggi.
I make best khichdi. All of them are like
Fan
of my
khichdi.
khichdi.
Then we should definitely.
I should have brought something, but I do not have that
अभी यहाँ
much
पे
time.
खिचड़ी कहाँ बनाएंगे?
So, how do you see other countries' seafood?
Seafood. I'm not fond of seafood. I cannot.
Non-veg?
Non-veg में the only thing is I eat chicken. That too. It's all like mood driven, मतलब मन किया तो I will eat. Otherwise not.
So you don't like prawns and all?
I do. It's not like I don't, but it's very mood driven again. Man kiya to. I had
Yeah,
this
to
like
kind.
crazy prawns in Hard Rock Cafe when I was in St. Francis. If I hear that this place serves the best prawns or seafood or
So
whatever,
you're definitely gonna try that.
then I can try it. But I will not order it. Like I'll ask someone else to order it, and I'll first take a bite. If it's good, then I'll order a plate for myself. Otherwise, not.
Good strategy, by the
Yeah.
way.
It's like not wasting food also, plus getting to taste a little bit of it. Everyone wins.
So, last question from this session. We have more rounds.
I
so,
see. How many cards you have, Ashish?
8 to 10.
बस नहीं हमारे पास.
Okay, so one thing you can make easily, like whenever, like 2 a.m. dish.
Desi Chinese, not the authentic one. Desi Chinese, Maggi again, dal khichdi, dal rice, salads, sandwiches.
You can cook so many things.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are gonna move to rapid fire round. So finally coming on our rapid fire round. So are you ready for rapid fire? Okay. So I'm gonna ask and you need to answer whatever first comes in your mind.
Rapidly and full of fire like courage.
Okay. First one is pizza or pasta?
None.
Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Ferrero Rocher or Dairy Milk Silk?
Ferrero Rocher.
Hide and seek or Oreo?
Hide and seek or Oreo? Hide and seek.
Manchao soup or tomato soup?
Manchao.
Maggi or Manchurian?
Maggi.
Vada pav or burger?
Vada pav, bro.
Momos with chutney or idli with sambar?
Momos with chutney, but idli also with chutney.
Not sambar. Okay. Free pizza for lifetime or free gym membership for lifetime?
Free gym, because I'm not fond of pizzas.
Okay. Strawberry ice cream, chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate. Any day, anytime.
Pineapple on pizza or broccoli on pizza? Weirdest combination.
Broccoli on pizza. For a... Like, that, I can survive that.
Chicken biryani or veg biryani?
Chicken biryani, bro. There's no such thing as veg biryani. That's pulao.
Veg pulao. Oh my god. Paneer tikka or chicken tikka?
Paneer tikka.
Pani puri or masala dosa?
Le. What is this?
Both your favorite.
Masala dosa.
Okay. Chinese or Italian?
Chinese.
Hey,
no, Chinese wala nahi. Indian Chinese.
अच्छा, a good husband quality, a good cook or a good singer?
Good cook. गाने बहुत singers हैं, सुन लेंगे.
Pizza with friends or pizza with Netflix?
Pizza with Netflix.
Jalebi
No,
with
actually friends.
Friends.
They'll eat the most of the pizza.
We're gonna go with 50-50 or something.
Yeah, we have that option.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, 50-50.
Okay, so jalebi with rabdi, yes or no?
Yes.
Chole with aloo, yes or no?
No.
I knew the answer.
Don't do that. Never.
Alright,
Paap milega.
so the rapid fire round ends here. We are gonna move on to some exciting stuff. So this one is like most funniest part of the video. Like I'm gonna say some line of Bollywood song here, and you need to complete it.
Oh wow.
Okay, so first one is दिल नहीं देना था देना पड़ा blank, प्यार नहीं करना था करना पड़ा blank. You don't know this song? Don't tell me.
ये ऐसा वो प्यार मोहब्बत वाला sad song है.
It's something food related.
Bataata vada.
Bataata
vada. This you have to give me a little bit of background of the song so I get.
Okay. So moving towards the next. Chocolate, lime juice, ice cream toffee, Madhuri Dixit, you know?
अब मेरे उम्र है कहाँ ये
नहीं, you're mixing too. Okay. So I'm gonna finish it like ice cream toffee, पहले जैसे अब मेरे
शौक है कहाँ गुड़िया खिलौने.
Fine. Third one. आइसक्रीम खाऊंगी कश्मीर जाऊंगी शोलों में भड़के जिया ब्लैंक.
आइसक्रीम खाऊं उसके बाद तो वो ऐसे ही चिल्लाता है ना
नहीं एक और ऐसा पोर्शन है एक्चुअली.
आइसक्रीम खाऊंगी यार ऑनेस्टली ये सॉन्ग का इतना ही आता है सबको. चॉकलेट खाऊंगी
मैंने आगे का ढूंढ निकाला है.
उसके आगे ये गाना
जलवे कराऊंगी उसको रिझाऊंगी जो होगा मेरा पिया. Okay, so the last of today's question, like, जब तक रहेगा समोसे में आलू, you know it यार.
तेरा रहूंगा वो मेरी शादी.
Wow, you completed like
ये हाँ.
Fan of Akshay Kumar.
Kinda.
So we just ended the video. She answered so nicely, so quickly. How much?
What
She's like one take artist. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. Comment down.
Black thumb blue. Comment how did you like it? How was my rapid fire? How did Ashish host the entire video?
Actually, this is my first time I have hosted something like someone.
Oh.
So how did you like it? Like I hosted properly or?
Nice. Initially he began with and then Ashish is a pro boy.
Okay, so if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below whatever you want to know about Nick, and subscribe to my channel and subscribe to
my channel also.
Captain Nick, and she's gonna have 1 million subscriber, guys. Subscribe to her.
Subscribe to him as well.
Fine. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have food. Go eat.